Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you all 4 types of healthy smoothie recipe. Let's go! First is our purple fancy smoothie. The ingredients that we need is 2 cups of frozen blueberry, 2.5 cups of pomegranate, half cups of fresh milk, and 2 tablespoons of honey. You can taste the crunchiness of pomegranates in the smoothie, and it is rich with vitamin C and K. In fact, if you have a busy morning, smoothie may be the best choice for your breakfast. The second one is my favorite. I name it as Rise and Shine. The ingredients that we need is 1 frozen banana, 1 orange, 2 cups of mango, half cups of fresh milk, and half cups of ice cube. It is perfect to enjoy it during the summer months or any other times as it is chilling and refreshing. Besides, it also rich with vitamins that can boost up our immune system. The next one is Choco protein smoothie. The ingredients that we need are 2 scoops of cocoa powder, 2 scoops of protein powder, half cups of ice water, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and half cups of ice cube. If you are a chocolate lover, you definitely will fall in love with it. Besides, it's also high protein and you can have it after your workout for muscle recovery. The last one is my favorite breakfast, the berry bowl. We need 1 banana, 2 cups of frozen mixed berry, 2 tablespoons of honey, two tablespoons of yogurt. I always like to top up with some homemade granola and some seasonal fruits so that I can have some time to relax my mind and enjoy it before a day starts. That's all for today. I hope you all will like them. Try them out and let me know. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and like my channel. See you next time.